I have here 8 pieces of crepe paper. And the size of the crepe paper is 25 centimeters by 23 centimeters. I have 8 pieces of this and we'll be taking it in red color and in black color. We'll put 8 pieces on top of each other. And on about 1 centimeter, we'll fold it over, and from here we will make zigzag folds in it. After making the zigzag folds, we are going to take thread. I'm going to take a piece of about 15 centimeters. And we'll go over this in the middle and make a double knot here. After doing that on the edges, we will make an arched cut. Like this, and that's the same that we'll be doing on the other side as well. Then we'll open up one side like this, and one by one pull all the papers for above. Do this very carefully, otherwise the crepe paper might tear. And like this we are going to pull all the papers for above. And do the same for the other side as well. And like this we are going to make flowers in red color and in black color. For my decoration I've made 4 black flowers and 3 red flowers. After that we are going to take red color paper and black color paper and a small square of white paper. This white paper is 6 by 6 centimeters. We will fold this white paper in half. And draw half of a heart on it. And cut this out. And we'll be using this as a stencil on the red paper and on the black paper. We'll place it here, draw over it, and make hearts on it. Make many pieces on the black color and on the red color paper as well, and then we'll cut it out. We'll take 7 pieces of thread, and the length of this thread is 95 centimeters. We'll take the hearts that we made, the black and the red color, we will leave a small piece of 10 centimeters where we will not paste anything. After 10 centimeters, we will place our red heart under the thread and paste the thread on the heart with a piece of tape. Now we will leave a space of 8 centimeters and we will place our black heart there and paste the heart on the thread. And like this, we are going to paste all the heart pieces alternately red, black, and red, black. And now it's time to decorate. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do check all the other decorations on my channel. I have many more decoration ideas. Check them out and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special. And if you don't want to miss any of my future decoration ideas, then make sure that you click on the red subscribe button below and subscribe.